Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Koby Lomax and I am the CEO of Curly Hair. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these big day one just styled curls. And I'll also be showing you guys the best products, to get a lot of volume. There's a lot of things that go into like how big your hair can get or the type of volume that you can get, and one of them is definitely the products. Certain products are formulated to help you achieve bigger curls, right? And so I'm super excited to show you guys that. And with that being said, let's get into the video.
I'm really trying to talk and never turn me on. Something got me tripping, we've been playing games for way too long.
Alright y'all, so I already did the back of my head. I went ahead and did it off camera because I noticed whenever I'm doing my hair and I'm like trying to do the back and you can't really see it that good anyway. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys on this front section how I get a lot of volume. My hair has already been washed with the Mielle Organics Babasu shampoo, and then I use the Mielle Organics Babasu Mint Deep Conditioner. It's a great protein deep conditioner. So if you feel like your curls aren't really popping the way they normally do and you need a little bit more like oomph in your curls, definitely check that protein deep conditioner out. I'll have it linked down below. And then I'm going to be using the Curl Daddy Nourish Me Detangler / Leave-In and the Curl Daddy Hold Me Cream Gel. These products are absolutely amazing at getting volume. If you guys saw my last video, I was showing you guys how I got my hair to hang versus how I didn't get it to hang, and you can see the dramatic difference of the technique, but also the products really make a huge difference. You guys can go back to some of my videos where I'm using the same technique that I'm doing right now, but I use like Eco Styler Gel or a product that doesn't give you a lot of volume, and the wet results and the dry results look very different. But with these products, they are just super good at getting volume and definition. Like, that's the main focus of Curl Daddy products, is volume and definition. Literally, if you go on their Instagram, every single person on their Instagram has volume and definition. That's like their thing. And also the products smell really good. As I have mentioned before as well, it is black owned by Edwin. Here's a picture of him right here. He is the founder of Curl Daddy, and the products are just really great. So I'm going to show y'all how we get this volume and definition right. So I'm going to take a little section of my hair. Today I'm wearing my hair as a fro. Normally, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you see I've been wearing my hair down, like hanging a lot, but today we are going to wear a fro. Also, when I use these products, my hair dries a lot faster than if I was to use like heavier products. This is gonna be really good because I have to catch a flight in the morning, and if my hair is wet when I go through the airport, they always have to check my hair because like the little signal thing, it goes off on my hair if my hair is wet. So this will be good. My hair will be dry in the morning. So I'm gonna take some of the Nourish Me Detangler Leave-In, and I'm just gonna spray that on. And this leave-in bubbles up. It's almost like a mousse or foam. It kind of like, you guys can see it kind of like bubbles up. It's kind of weird at first when you first use it, but it gives you crazy definition. Alright, so now that I have that worked in, I'm going to go in with the Hold Me Cream Gel, and I'm just going to take a nice amount, and I'm going to work that in. And see how like this is like kind of like, it's like fluffy. It has like a fluff to it, where when I was using the other products trying to make my hair hang, it was very much like it didn't have this puff. It's because these are really good at giving you that volume, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so now I'm going to do some finger coils. And one thing that I want to mention about finger coils, the smaller you make them, the more like defined your hair will be. It takes longer to do them when you do them smaller, but it definitely does make your hair like a lot more defined. It also, finger coils makes your hair shrink. If I just work the product in versus doing finger coils, you see the dramatic difference? The finger coils make your hair shrink, which is good if you want a lot of volume, you know what I'm saying? Alright, and see, like we have day one curls that are looking like this, that are looking really super big, nice and defined. And we just have that volume, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, like I said, these products are really great for getting volume. If I was to use products like Eco Styler Gel or Wetline Extreme, I would still have the coils, they would still shrink up, but they would be like, because those products are heavy, and their focus is not really on getting volume. So I would have a lot of definition, I wouldn't have a lot of volume, and it would take me like 2-3 days in order for my fro to really start taking the shape that I really like. Where with these products, day one, it's looking, it's looking good. You know what I'm saying? And also, I thought it was interesting on the video where I tried to get my hair to hang. I tried to use these products with the same technique, just raking them through, using a lot of water, trying to get my hair to like hang down. And it was interesting because my hair wasn't really trying to hang down. It was very big. You know what I'm saying? Like instead of it hanging down like this, it was like this. Because these products, their focus is volume. You're going to get volume with these products. So if you're somebody who typically tends to, you feel like your hair is always like flat, like you just want your hair to be bigger and it's not really getting big, I would highly recommend checking out these products. I will link these products down below, and Edwin also gave me a coupon code, so you can use code Koby10 at checkout to get 10% off of your order. But yeah, if you're someone who tends to have really flat hair, you want your hair to be a lot bigger, and it's just nothing you can do is getting it bigger. The diffusing is not really helping. You're trying to pick it out and it's just not how you like it. I highly recommend maybe switching the products that you're using to something that is focused on giving you volume. Alright, and now I'm done, so I'm going to take this out, shake it around, and look at that volume. Guys, if you saw my last video, my hair was like hanging down, and now look, it's all big. I'm just back to the fro. So yeah guys, these products are absolutely phenomenal at getting me volume. If I would have used heavier products, my hair probably would have been like down here, like in my face, and I just wouldn't have the volume that I would really want, and it really wouldn't get big till probably like day 2, 3 is when it would just starting to take shape of like the fro how I normally like it. Where whenever I use these products, day 1 curls are always looking just incredible. So yeah, that's all for this video. Once again, I will highly recommend these products if you are looking for volume. If your hair tends to be very flat, you want your hair to be bigger, highly recommend checking out these products at curldaddy.com, and you can use code Koby10 to get 10% off of your product. Plus you will be supporting a black business, a small business, and yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, as it really does support the channel. And if you're looking forward to more videos like this, then be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get a notification every time I upload a new video. For more of the behind the scenes stuff, you can find me on Instagram at Koby Lomax, and you can also find me now on my new vlog channel called Koby's Life, which I'll also have linked down below. And yeah, that wraps up this video. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. I am so excited to see you guys with your big hair, get some volume. And as always, I'm just so grateful for you being here, spending some time with me here on the internet. It literally means so much to me. I say it all the time, but that's because I just can't say it enough. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.